Welcome back, students. Did you solve the homework? I hope you have solved the homework. Okay, fine. What was the answer you got? Did you solve it? You solved it, no? What is the answer you got? How to solve it? Oxygen's molecular mass is 32. Okay. 32 grams of oxygen is having Avogadro number of molecules in it. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules are present. Okay. Then 96 grams of oxygen contains how many numbers of molecules in it? So I can write n number of molecules. N is equal to cross multiply. How to cross multiply? 96 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 32. What is the answer you get? What is the answer you get? And the answer we get is 8.06 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, these many molecules are present. Oxygen is having O2, correct? 2 molecules. So therefore, I can say each oxygen molecule contains 2 oxygen atoms. Each oxygen molecule contains 2 atoms. Correct? So one atom contains 8 protons and 8 electrons. 8 protons and 8 electrons, because equal in number it is. Number of protons is equal to number of electrons. So therefore I can say 8 protons and 8 electrons. 8 into 2, because 2 atoms are there. So 8 into 2 is 16. Therefore, hence total positive and negative charge is. So 16 is the number of protons and the number of electrons. Total number of protons and total number of electrons is 16. Okay. But what is asked? Total number of protons and electrons present in 96 grams of oxygen it is asked. So for 96 grams of oxygen, what we have to do? For 96 grams of oxygen, Q is equal to Ne formula. Earlier in the beginning of this chapter we have used this formula. Q is equal to Ne. Okay. Q is equal to N. What is a N? N is 16, correct? Into 1, what is E? 1.6, is it so? Yes, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus or plus. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So N is equal to 16 into E. What is the value? N is this one. Okay. E 1.602. Direct this N we cannot use, because N is equal to not only this value. We have one more. See, this is for one molecule. For 16 into this value. Solve it. Solve it. Oh, you get here 18, huh? Good. Good. 18, okay. Why? Okay, after solving you get 18. Why here N is so, no, not only we have taken it as 18, because this is for 1. We have 16. So therefore 16 into 18.06 into 10 to the power 23 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Therefore the charge present For total, how much the positive and negative charge is present in 96 grams of oxygen is 462.9. 462.9 into 10 to the power 4 cool. We got this answer. What about you? Did you get the same answer? Did you get the same answer? Total positive or negative charge present here is 462.9 into 10 to the power 4 coulombs. Okay, next. The next problem. Shall we go for the next problem? 3 charges. Write down 3 charges. Six microcoulomb, 6 microcoulomb, 2 microcoulomb and 2 microcoulomb are placed respectively at the 3 sides of an equilateral triangle ABC of side 8 centimeter. Find the force on a charge microcoulomb placed at the center of the triangle. Three charges, 6 microcoulomb, 2 microcoulomb and 2 microcoulomb are placed respectively at the 3 sides of an equilateral triangle ABC of side 8 centimeter. Find the force on the charge 3 microcoulomb placed at the center of the triangle. Okay, placed at the center of the triangle, you have to find out now. Earlier case we have used this as like the same type of problem we have solved, but using the square it was. Now it is an equilateral triangle. First, let us take an equilateral triangle ABC. Six microcoulomb, 2 microcoulomb and 2 microcoulomb. Equilateral triangle, all the sides it is 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Okay, placed one more at the center you have to place. Okay, if it is at the center, then can I draw it like this? Yes, at the center let it be O. On the charge 3 microcoulomb. So this is our diagram. At the center, what is the force acting on the charge? 3 microcoulomb you have to find out. Okay, we know this and this, but we don't know what is this length. So well, let us find out this length first. Okay, distance. This distance if we find out, then further it is easy. How to find out this distance? Is it difficult? How to find out this distance? Help me. Let me use color chalk. Okay. This I'll take this full straight line, and this one also, okay. This has cut at the center, this one also at the center, this one also should be at the center. Okay. If it is at the center, because it is equilateral triangle, this distance is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. 4, 4, 4, 4. Fine. We know this. We don't know this, but this is an equilateral triangle, right? Then total angle is 60 degree plus 60 degree plus 60 degree, 180 degree. So I can say this divides from half, so this is nothing but 30. We know this angle. Can I take cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse? Cos 30 is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Then if it is adjacent by hypotenuse, I'll take it as D. BD by BO or OB. Then I'll get BO or OB is equal to BD by cos 30. BD is 4. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So what is the answer? BO is equal to 8 by root 3 centimeter or 8 by root 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Okay, we got. Then I can say BO is equal to CO is equal to AO, since it is equilateral triangle. Now, can you use the formula of force? Yes, we will use the formula of force. Force on the charge 3 microcoulomb or charge at O due to the A. FOA is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q or QA QO by R square. R is nothing but OA square or AO square. Substitute 9 into 10 to the power 9 into QA 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 QO 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by OA or AO or BO is one and the same. 8 by root 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. Standard value you have to use. Whole square. What is the answer you get for the force? What is the answer you get for the force? Are you getting 75.93? 75.93. Newton. 75.93 Newton. Similarly, calculate for the force due to the charge at B. FOB is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 8 by root 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 the whole square. One answer you will get. I think same answers we get for this. That is FOC, because the value of the charge is same. Okay, what is the answer we get? FOB and FOC. FOB and FOC, we get 25.31. Similarly, for this one also 25.31 Newton we should get. Okay, I got the value of the force, FOA, FOB, FOC. Now what should I do? Further, what is the total force acting on the charge? 3 microcoulomb which is placed at the center. Net force. Okay, these two charges are there. How to find out? Resultant of force is, let us consider due to these two charges. Because of this charge, because of this charge, because of this charge. Okay. See here, these two are upper side, this one is down. So I will take these two. First I will take these two and I will add it. Resultant of that one, we will add it with the next one. Okay. These two will consider in the beginning. We will add those two. Using that parallelogram law of vector addition method. What you have done there? One experiment you have done. To weight you have hanged both the sides. Parallelogram law of vector addition experiment. In the same way, resultant of this two will be in this side. So we will take these two. So how to find out total force due to the C and B? I will write FBC. Okay. Okay. What is the total force? Net force acting on the body is, due to the two forces, is square root of force due to this one and force to this one. Force OC square plus FOB square plus 2 FOC FOB cos theta. This is the formula. Substitute the values and then calculate. What is the angle between FOC and FOB? This is an equilateral triangle. So therefore angle between these two should be, since it is from the central, see, center it is passing. So it should be 120. So if I substitute, how much we got? 25.31 square plus 25.31 square plus 2 into 25.31 into 25.31 into cos 120. Solve this. Solve this. What is the value of cos 120? Cos 120 is minus half. Cos 120 is minus half. Therefore, that 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Here minus sign will come. Cos 120 is equal to minus half. Therefore, FBC is equal to, what is the answer we get? What is the answer? Solve. We get the answer 25.31 Newton. 25.31 Newton. Now, we got the result of these two, 25.31. This one also we have, what is that answer? That is FOA. Now, what is the total force? What is the total force? They are equal and opposite in direction. Therefore, you can directly add it or subtract. If they are in opposite direction, you can subtract it. They are equal and opposite in direction now because two are positively charged. So, therefore, total force is Net force is F is equal to FOA minus FBC. That is resultant. Let me draw it in the one more color. Subtract 75. What was the answer? 75.93 minus 25.31. What is the answer you get? What is the answer you get? The answer what we get is 50.62 N. 50.62 N or Newton is the answer what we, that is a total force acting on the charge which is placed at the center. Got the same answer? If suppose instead of this plus 6 microcoulomb, if there was a minus 6 microcoulomb, then here instead of subtracting you should have added it up, because they are like charges it will become. Now it is unlike charges. Sorry, now it is like charge, therefore subtracted. If it is unlike charge, it should be added. Okay, because minus of minus will become plus. Understood? So therefore this is a result. Next, shall we go for the next problem? Yes, write the next question. Two-point charges. You can try this with E. The next problem. 2-point charges. 2-point charges. 3 microcoulomb and 6 microcoulomb are placed centimeter apart. Find the electric field at the center of the line joining them. Two-point charges, 3 microcoulomb and 6 microcoulomb are placed 20 centimeter apart. Find the electric field at the center of the line joining them. Okay, 2-point charges are there, 3 microcoulomb and 6 microcoulomb. They are placed 20 centimeter apart. Find the electric field at the center of the line joining them. Okay, line joining them, at the center itself you have to find out the electric field. At the center. So what is this distance? How much it is? 10 centimeter. And this one is also 10 centimeter. Okay. You have to find out the electric field. Formula E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square. Use this and try to solve this problem. Solve. Try to solve this problem. Can we solve this problem? Try to solve. that is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 the whole square. And one more and you will get some answer. One more is due to this one, that is E is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. One more answer you will get. How much answer you got? What is the answer you get? The answer what we get here is 27 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. And one more answer we got here is 54 into 10 to the power 5. So these are the two answers we get. So what is the result? Total electric field. Total electric field is E 54 into 10 to the power 5 minus 27 into 10 to the power 5. What is that result? If we mark it as A and B, because of this one is because of A, this one is because of B. Electric field, it is positive, so this is should go away. This one also positive, should go away. Therefore, E is equal to EB minus EA. What is the result? Final result what we get? 54 minus 27 into 10 to the power 5 is 27 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. Are you getting the same? Are you getting the same? Yes. Here comes end to today's class. Thank you.